What's up guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video I want to talk about fake profits and how these scammers do it on a web page.
FBI, open up!
Before I go any further, I just kind of want to say thank you to everyone that's been supporting this channel. Thank you for dropping your likes. Thank you for your comments, your shares. It really helps the YouTube algorithm push this channel. And the more this channel gets pushed, the more people become aware of what is really happening in this dark world of the self-help industry in Forex here in South Africa. Now, I'm going to need another favor again from you guys tonight. Please do not let my efforts today in today's video go to waste. Please, the moment you see this up, like it, comment, share, because that really helps push this YouTube algorithm. And you guys know my information is good. Not only do I just tell you guys about it, I show you it. So let's get to today's video. Okay, so like I said, today's video we will talk about the fake profits and how these scammers get away with it on their web pages. Now, it's something to talk about it and it's something to demonstrate it. Now, I'm not only going to talk about it, I'm going to demonstrate it as well. Now, first things first, I want to get into the psychological side of this before I get to the actual demonstration of this. Now, when people edit their web pages, right, they use it doing a inspect element feature that's available on any Google Chrome or Google, doesn't really matter. But as long as there's an inspect element on your web browser, you can edit your web page. Now, later in the video, I'm going to show it to you guys. But the psychological side of this, right, is really that when people see web pages, right, people really believe it because it's like, how can someone edit that? And if someone was supposed to edit that, you will see it, right? Now, this gets done in a really professional manner. You won't even see that the page, the web page that is showing you all this money has been edited. Now, people do this for their trading accounts. People do this for withdrawals. People do this for deposits. People even do this for their bank statements. And this is why I just have to come and show you guys this, because people climb into your mind like this. You will see the web page and you will think, this guy is solid. This guy know what he's doing. Because recently the screenshots I've already showed you guys. I've put that under fire. I've shown you guys how these traders have gone from making actual withdrawals and the reference being the broker that sent them the money to being them transferring clients' money from one account to the next account. They stopped doing that. Like I told you guys in the start of this channel, they are gonna continuously evolve. The more I expose them, the more they're gonna evolve. And as they evolve, I will catch them. There's no way that they can slip me. So with these guys editing these web pages, right, and all of us thinking it's real, because once upon a time I was fooled by these web pages as well. These guys have just given the disingenuous level a whole new boost. So just check out this video and you will really see what I'm talking about, and I'm gonna show you how these guys do it as well. And you guys will actually see that what I'm telling you, what I'm gonna show you, is not some fake stuff. Okay, so as you guys can see, we are here on the website of Veracity Markets, and I didn't mean to, exactly pick Veracity Markets, but thank you to the guy Nanguruba that gave me his account to kind of show you guys this demonstration. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is to show you guys that not everything that glitters is gold. This is a way that a whole lot of these scams has been getting away with your money. And I just want to show you guys this because they get into your brain and they will make you believe that things are real when it actually isn't. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is, anywhere on the web page, right, you're gonna right click and then you go to inspect. Right now, the moment you click on inspect, you will see that to your right hand side there's a whole lot of coding that just opened up. Now, if you felt dumb the moment that came up, I felt dumb too, don't worry. Now, I don't even know what I'm gonna click next, but all I know is what I'm gonna click allows me to do things. So if I click on here, this allows me to click something in here that I would like to change, and then it will be highlighted over here. Right now, as I've told you guys, there's a whole lot of scammers that does this. So I'm gonna click here, and then now I'm just gonna quickly edit a balance. So as you guys can see, I clicked on this balance over here, and then it got highlighted over here. So at this point, this is where I'm gonna double click and edit it, right? So I can make it any amount I want. Let's say I want to put in 1,000,000. I can put in 1,000,000. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1,000,000 and 6 zeros. Bam. Yes. So as you guys can see, there is my 1,000,000 rand, and the moment I flash this to you from a web page, you will believe it to me because the thing is, web pages do not lie, right? There's no way that you can edit a web page, right? Well, I'm actually showing you how some people in this industry gets away with it. Now, there's something a bit of a trend that has recently taken off, and you will always see this by certain mentors. Now, the trend that has taken off is them saying, okay, this is me or my client, we have deposited X amount of money and we've taken it so far. But one thing that is very clear is that in some of these demonstrations, right, they wouldn't even like let you know, okay, I'm depositing 10,000 rand now, here's my deposit, and you will see me take it all the way to 100,000 or whatever the target may be. You will always see it when it's finished, right? And I'm gonna show you now how they get into your mind, for you to believe this. So the first thing that they would do, right, is they would come and edit the credit. Now, the reason why they edit the credit, right, is because we know that certain brokers, whenever you deposit money into your account, they give you bonus money, right? And that will reflect in your credit. So, double click. Let me just double click it so that I can edit it. So, let's say I have a challenge where to me it was like, okay, I am gonna take 10,000 to 100,000, right? So the credit will always reflect what the deposit was with these scammers. So if the challenge was a 10k to 100k challenge, you will always find that the credit is 10k, like reflecting what they have deposited, right? And then after that, you will always find that the balance, right? The 100k will be reached, and some of them is actually smart when they do this because they actually do not make it 100 on the dot. They will maybe make it 112,000, right? So now you will believe, okay, that their target was smashed. And I just want to close it up there. So now the photos gets taken, right? Now it shows to you, but listen, look at this. This is what is up. Here you can see I have deposited 10,000 rand, and here you can see I have reached my target. I've gone way past my 100,000 rand target, right? So then they will end it there. They won't or they will like exit it straight off here, right? They will never ever go to another place on the website and come back. That is because the moment this page refreshes, the balances reset. And guys, I understand that I've just shown you big amounts now, but I also want to show you guys that these guys, the more intricate ones, right, they will do a scam that is much more believable with everyone. So what they will do is they will normally be like, okay, the 1,000 rand to 10,000 rand challenge, and a 1,000 rand is what most of us can afford. Some will give up groceries to even deposit that 1,000 rand, and this is besides the money now that they have to pay for signals or they have to pay for a mentorship course. But I'm just gonna show you quickly how believable this looks. Once again, going to my inspect element, and then once I'm in the inspect element, just click here. Now I will go to credit, reflect the 1,000 rand in my credit that I deposited most now, come stuck. And then once again I go and click again, and then I will go to balance, and the balance, like I said, will reflect the target or over the target always. So I'm just gonna make the balance like say
10,530 rand, right? So now you will believe me when I show you this, because my credit actually, it reflects here the 1,000 rand that I have deposited, no? And then when you look at my balance, it will reflect the 10,000 rand that I have made and some extras. So at this point, you will believe me. There is no way that you will not believe that my strategy don't work. There is no way that you will not believe my signals don't work. There is no way that you will believe that the car that's standing outside, that was bought cash. Why? Because I can do this stupid trick. And this is what a whole lot of mentors has been getting away. They can't even be called mentors at this point, because they are straight off scammers.
So as you guys have seen, that is some pretty hectic stuff now. There is no way that you guys can now tell me that I'm lying when I say people are editing their web pages. There's no way that you guys can tell me that I'm lying when I say that they are editing their withdrawal slips, because obviously it can be done. So when you see them posting their bank stuff with big withdrawals and stuff, screenshot it. And there's nothing wrong, guys, there's nothing wrong with screenshotting this bank slip that you've just been sent, sending it to the bank and just asking, listen, is this true? Is this a valid thing? And obviously if it's not a valid thing, the bank then will soon thereafter pick up your person that tried to hook you with this. You guys wouldn't have expected this, but this is an old thing, guys. This is an old thing. Thanks for watching. Do smash that like button, please. It helps out the YouTube algorithm. Do leave your comments, because I'd like to know what you guys think of all of this now. If you're new here, please do smash that subscribe button. I welcome you to my channel. And then also, yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers. Oh yeah, and share. Don't forget to share.